I'm Suzette. I'm so excited to share with you our newest innovation at North Shore Living Herbs and Greens. So as you're aware, we have this wonderful potted basil that we've been selling for, 25 years or so. And we just decided that, we need more of it in a package. So we came out with the Basil Duo. And it's also made so that you can bring it from the retail store in your cart and not have any damage happen to it. So actually you could probably take it on an airplane, no problem also. So I just wanted to share with you. I got excited and I thought, why don't you just come into my kitchen and I'll show you what my dream is. And that is that everyone has an instant herb garden in their kitchen every day. And with this particular package, you would just bring it home and just go ahead and tear the sides off. And then I did want to mention that these are, the plastic is used from 30% recycled material. And so it's a little bit better than just having regular plastic that's only been used once. So here is what you do is you just put it in this handy dandy little container, and there's a water line right here that shows you, where to keep the water so that when you put it out on your countertop or on your table, you'll know exactly where you want the fill line. So this is what I do all the time. I bring my herbs home and put it in any one of the containers that I have, but I really like this because you can see through the plastic, and then that way you can tell when your plant has drank all the water and it needs more. So I hope you enjoy this new product line and look forward to seeing you on the show floor. Thank you.